Hi YouTube, I just wanted to share how I got my dipstick tube out of my 5.4 Expedition. It's an 07. I think this engine's pretty common in F150s, even a few of the Superduties, and a lot of the Expeditions, even some cars have it. But my dipstick tube broke off right here. I was hoping I could weld it or put some kind of tubing over it to repair it, but with the bracket right here, made any of those options unavailable. Got a new dipstick tube off Amazon for 25 bucks. So that went well, but getting this thing out of there was a bugger. I tried a few different things. I looked on YouTube. One idea was to take an easy out and then stick it in here and crank it until you could get this to break loose. I would try seeing if I could get a little pickle fork to stick in here. Right here's where this goes into the block. I didn't have anything like that. Another video I saw, a guy ran some cable kind of like this down through the tube, out through his oil pan drain hole, tied a knot, and then was able to pull it back, and it broke this loose. So I was gonna try either of those, but I wanted to try something else first. With the pickle fork idea, I was able to take this cheap couple of dollar pry bar and then modify the tip. It wouldn't fit in like this, so I had to tip it over, and then once I got it on there, I hammered it on until this wedged onto here, and then I was able to hammer. If it's like this, imagine it sticking onto it. I was able to hammer the bottom of this and pop it up. It worked pretty well. You can change the dipstick tube without pulling anything out of the engine bay or fender well or anything. The little nut that attaches this bracket to the side of the block is 8mm, and with a swivel you can reach through right next to the strut and get at it without too much trouble. So hopefully that's helpful for somebody.